Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Do you want to follow more people on TikTok so you can browse a variety of content in your feed, but for some reason you can't do this simple task? In this video, I will show you several methods to fix the problem so you can start following content creators in TikTok again. Let's go. To access TikTok, an internet connection is definitely required. Therefore, the first thing to check is whether Wi-Fi or cellular data is enabled on your device. If you're using the latter, make sure you have enough credit to access the internet. Once connected, test your internet speed using speedtest.net in your browser. But if you see that most of TikTok's features are working normally, then there's probably no problem with your device's internet connection. Another common reason for app glitches is that you haven't updated to the latest version. You can check for updates in the App Store if you're on an iPhone, or in the Google Play Store instead for Android users. If a new version is available, you should see an update button here. Keep your application up to date to receive new features or bug fixes as they become available. The next method you could try is to clear the TikTok cache to eliminate temporary glitches. To begin, open TikTok and navigate to your profile dashboard. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and proceed to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Cache and Cellular section. Go to Free Up Space and click the Clear button next to the cache label. After clearing the cache, force quit to restart TikTok. Go to the home screen on your iPhone, scroll halfway up, and swipe on the TikTok window. Restart TikTok, and see if you can start following people again. The most logical reason for not being able to follow a user is that you may have triggered TikTok's restriction on following a large number of accounts in a short period of time to prevent spamming. Although TikTok's documentation doesn't really confirm it, some online articles also claim that a user is only allowed to follow a specific limit based on factors determined by the platform. Either way, the final step is to contact TikTok support directly so they can better explain why you experienced this problem. Go back to your TikTok profile dashboard. Click on the three-line menu at the top and open Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Report a Problem and click Chat with Us at the bottom of the screen. Then you can start chatting live with a TikTok support representative, get a prompt response, and resolve the issue faster. Okay, if I've been able to help you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. If something didn't work out and you're stuck, check the comments. Maybe someone has solved the problem. Otherwise, I can try and help you further. I offer personal support on Fiverr and can give you independent advice. I also offer many other services. Feel free to check them out. You'll find the link in the video description. Until next time, bye.